I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop HBO Max from automatically renewing your subscription, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to manage. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Billing section. This is where you can see your current plan details. Step 4. Turn off Auto Renewal. Find the option for Auto Renewal and toggle it off. This will prevent your subscription from renewing at the end of the current billing cycle. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see the auto renewal option, it might be because you subscribed through a third-party service like Apple or Google Play. In that case, you'll need to manage your subscription through this service. Good luck and enjoy your viewing.